Welcome to the Interactive Country Groups tool on BIS.gov. This interactive tool pulls regulatory text directly from Supplement Number 1 to Part 740 of the EAR from the Electronic Code of Federal Regulations and is refreshed hourly. The BIS website team created this interactive tool to assist exporters in identifying their destination's country groups. To use this interactive tool, click into the Select Countries box. Start typing in the name of a country that you would like to export to. Select that country from the drop-down. You can select one-to-many countries to see their associated groups. Once you have made your selection, click the Show Results button to see your destination's country groups. The Interactive Country Group tool will return what country groups your selected destinations are a part of. This tool will also provide a list of relevant sections of the EAR that your destination is mentioned in, and directly link you to those sections. If you'd like to adjust the countries that you are reviewing, you can remove them one by clicking the X next to the country name. If you'd like to start over, you can click the Reset button to navigate back to the default view for the Interactive Country Groups tool. We're excited for you to try it out and provide feedback on future improvements we can make to ensure commonly used supplements are user-friendly and consumable by all. This is a first iteration of the Interactive Country Groups tool. As you interact with this page and find yourself thinking about additional features that would improve your experience, please share with the BIS website team. You can contact us at biswebsiteteam@bis.doc.gov.